Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more informative content. Kikoff, a simple and effective credit building solution. Kikoff is a user-friendly credit building platform designed to help individuals improve their credit scores without the complexities of traditional credit products. It's an ideal solution for those new to credit or seeking to rebuild their credit history affordably and efficiently. Kikoff offers a simple platform allowing users to enhance their credit scores through small, manageable payments on a dedicated line of credit. This credit activity is reported to all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, ensuring comprehensive credit reporting. A key feature of Kikoff is its accessible credit line, which requires no credit check, making it perfect for individuals with limited or non-existent credit history. Users typically begin by applying for a modest line of credit, often around $500, which can be used for purchases. Importantly, this credit line is specifically designed for credit building. Users are encouraged to pay their balance in full each month. Kikoff directly reports these payments to the credit bureaus, enabling users to build a positive credit history by demonstrating responsible credit management, provided payments are made on time. This consistent positive payment history contributes significantly to boosting your credit score. Kikoff's affordability sets it apart. The platform boasts no annual fees and maintains low interest rates, positioning it as a cost-effective credit-building tool. Furthermore, Kikoff offers a mobile app, facilitating easy credit score tracking, progress monitoring, and payment management. This app provides users with clear insights into how their payments impact their credit scores, fostering motivation throughout the credit-building journey. In summary, Kikoff presents a powerful and affordable credit-building solution for anyone striving to improve their credit score without the burden of high fees or complex processes. It is particularly beneficial for individuals new to credit or those seeking a straightforward method to rebuild their credit. If you're ready to take charge of your credit, Kikoff is certainly worth exploring. For more information and to get started, check out the links in the description below.